Hi, friends. How are you all doing? I know it is a very difficult time for everyone, and nobody is doing really well. Everybody is facing problems, going through difficult situations, going through difficult times right now, and it's not easy. That's why I'm here today to discuss mental health issues and the stress which we are going through. How can we release it? Because right now, our emotional diet is not getting proper food, which we all require. So, we all are suffering through these problems right now. We all are sailing in the same boat, and a lot of problems are there. I totally agree. We are not getting a proper closure. Our loved ones are dying. We are always stressed, in just danger. We are in fear all the time. So yes, I'm here to discuss all of these with you and how you can be mindful about all of this. So please, I'm waiting for you guys to come online, and whoever comes on, and please drop in a hi to me so that we connect with each other. And I want this session to be really interactive so that you guys also put in your comments and your opinions to me. Please. So yes, please, I'm waiting for you guys to put in your hi, hello, please. Whoever is joining, please just comment whoever is joining right now. Hi Mama, hi Alok ji. Definitely, I'm also looking forward to help you at any which way possible. I know this is very difficult. So yes, I just want to help you guys some or the other way so that we all feel better. Because today we all are there for each other. If we are not there for each other, nobody else will be. So we all of us, we need to stand with each other. We need to be there for each other right now, which is very, very important. So please, whoever is coming all in, please drop in a hi and I shall start the session. Please, I'm waiting for you guys. Please, guys, whoever is coming online, please drop in a hi. I can see people coming online. Please, please, just put in a hi. Thank you, Gyan. I'm glad that you guys are there for the session because it's equally going to benefit both of us. Okay, let's just start. And yes, let's go ahead. So basically, what is mental health? I want to know, there are different types of mental health issues which we are facing right these days: anxiety, mental disorder, personality disorder. Some people are actually going through bipolar personality order also. So there are a lot of problems which we all are going through. They can be gender disorder, they can be dissociative disorder, they can be post-traumatic stress disorder, which is usually because of some traumatic events when something happens and it stays in our mind for a longer period of time, and then we are not able to remove it, we're not able to delete it from our mind. So all of these are related to our stress, to our mental health, which really consumes our mental health all the time. So it really depends from person to person how we face the situation, how we are dealing with the situations, how we are going through them. Every person has a very different way of dealing with situation. Some fear, some dread the changes, some start sweating, some people get overly happy, some people get overly sad. So every person, as all five fingers are not equal, so every person has a different way of going through these disorders. Probably this stress, I would say, because the stress only brings in problems to you, nothing else does. So yes, at this COVID times, we are facing a lot of problems, right guys? We are facing a lot of problems. Some people are not even getting closures. So if somebody is dying, I just heard recently, yesterday, one of my friend called me, she told me her aunt expired. Okay, so when her aunt expired, they just told her that your aunt's expired, and now we just taking her, and we're just taking her away body and all, because we can't give you, it's COVID. So people are not getting closure, people are not trying to believe that is this really happening. And because of this, we are getting mentally stressed, we are getting sleepless nights, we are not fit right now, mentally, emotionally, everything is so much consumed, we are not meeting our loved ones, we are socially distanced from them. And it's not that all of us, I would say, I'm sitting in Canada, but I'm still understanding what you guys are going through, because even we are in lockdown. I know in India the situation is getting really worst, I know that very well. I have my loved ones there, I have my parents there, so I have my rest of my family, my husband's family, everybody's there. So it is stressful right now, we are worrying about them all the time. We just hope that they're keeping safe and they stay safe. We are praying every day, we are keeping faith, which is really important. I would also say one thing, it's very important if you guys follow the protocol properly. Vaccination doesn't mean that, if you're getting vaccinated, you are free, you're moving away without a mask as well. No, not at all. I am actually hearing this from people back in India, that people are not wearing masks. People are still not wearing masks. There are some people like that. Why? It's your own safety, your family's safety. Because of you, because of one person, other person is connected, and because of that the whole family is connected. You understand this thing, because it spreads like that. So please wear your masks, follow all the government protocols, make sure you're safe, make sure the other person is safe. You cannot risk anybody's life and your life too, which is very precious, right? So getting vaccinated doesn't mean that you're free away, you are done and you're all sorted. No, nothing can happen. There are cases which are happening after vaccination as well. Since 1 year, in here also in Toronto, the cases are going up, they're coming down. So the cases are fluctuating, but still we have not stopped wearing masks. We are wearing masks whenever we step out of our house, not in open places, but yes, when we are going to any store, we are wearing masks since past 1 year. That's how things get controlled. We are sanitizing hands, we're doing everything whatever the government is demanding, for our safety, for my family's safety, for everybody's safety around me. So please do that. So yes, right now, I will just say we need to be very mindful. What is mindful? Acting in a situation, behaving in a situation presently, facing the situation, what we are going through right now. So mindfulness can be practiced anywhere. It is balancing your mind and your body. I always say, when negative thoughts start coming to you, pause it there. Pause it there. don't watch so much of news all the time. It's consuming you a lot. We know what's happening, we are aware, कहीं ना कहीं से तो हमें पता ही चल जाता है, right? We are getting this information already. WhatsApp all the time, it's there. Cases are down, cases are high. So we are aware what's happening. It's not that we are not aware, people are making us aware. So please limit the amount of news what you're watching, please. It's not that I'm restraining from you, it's because I just feel that it will be good if you also do the same thing, and you will start seeing positive change as well. What's happening right now, just we are so much tensed, we're so much worried about everything. Our sleeping patterns are disturbed, our eating patterns have changed, we are not following a regular diet, our vitamins have drastically changed. Some people are actually even going, the amount of alcohol, drugs, they have started increasing because they're sitting at home, they're doing nothing. Some people have started drinking a lot of alcohol as well. I don't know, you're just harming your body. You're doing nothing but just harming your body all the time. This is not going to help you at all. Again, it is very important, if something is inside you, if something is bothering you right now, seek help. Take help from the professionals. Very important. Very, very important. I always recommend go to a psychologist, come to a counselor. I'm a counselor. Anybody, anybody for that case, go to anybody, whoever you feel will give you the best professional help. Reason being, right now, there is a lot of things going inside. It's going inside me also. It's going inside everybody. I also took a break. I'm on and off for such a long time. I was also going through some distress, and now finally I'm back, because you have to be there for yourself, because if you are the only one supporting yourself. If you don't do that, others will not do it. I always say, be your best friend. Be kind and supportive towards yourself. It's very important. You need to be kind towards yourself. Be your best friend. Try as much as you can. Avoid using a lot of internet as well, because children right now, they're not doing anything proper. They're consuming a lot of internet, they're consuming a lot of knowledge which is not required, and which is unnecessarily. So please be careful for whatever your children are consuming. I would say in this thing, join Zumba classes, join any breathing exercises, relaxing exercises. Join something which relaxes your tense muscles. Join yoga, join these regular workshops. I also give a lot of workshops, and I'm sure other people like me also conduct a lot of workshops. Join these kind of things, they'll really help you. Excuse me. In Art of Joy, Mr. Rajat is also giving a lot of meditation workshops. Please attend them. They're going to really help you a lot, because right now we need to stay calm, because if we meditate at least for some time in a day, we're going to stay calm. I would also say that if possible, join some kind of short-term courses which you have been longing to do for so long, because they're going to increase your knowledge in a very positive way. We did not get so much of time. We all were so occupied with our jobs, with our work life, that we were actually not getting time for all these kind of things. So now when you're getting it, utilize this time in the best possible manner as much as you can. It is very, very important. There are many ways to take out stress right now. Again, change your lifestyle. Question yourself, am I going right? Can I be more, just can I do something more in a creative way, in a leisure way? I can do this thing. Start doing your routine chores in a leisure way. These small things will really help you to get over a lot of anxiety issues and release the pressure, because you're overburdening yourself right now. We all are so much overburdened right now that we're forgetting the importance of our time, which we are wasting of just being stressed and overburdened. I would even recommend, if possible, by following the government protocols, go for a small walk. Probably, small walk also can help you to just figure out what is going, what is going outside, or probably how you're going to feel, because our nature just freshens us up. So I would just say, even if you're not able to go for a walk, take a stroll in your home. Just walk in your home if you can do that. I would just say, even when you're talking on the phone, you must have seen that idea कि आप जब phone पे बात कर रहे हैं, so just keep walking, because you're actually burning calories also, and you're also engaging yourself in talking to some of your loved one. So, it is our responsibility right now to take care of ourselves, because self care is never selfish. Self care is very important. It's okay to be selfish than being sorry later and not taking care of yourself, right? Make wise choices right now. Why? Because it's going to increase your ability. What you're doing right now, it will increase your ability for the future. So yes, I will just say right now, pay attention to your thoughts and feelings, pay attention to your body, pay attention to yourself right now. It's very, very important. Be supportive, because by being supportive to yourself, by eating healthy, by having good foods, having a good diet, taking proper vitamins and minerals, and yes, staying hydrated. First and foremost, stay hydrated, drink a lot of water. All this will keep uplifting your mood, because when we eat good, when we eat healthy, there is a hormone which releases in our body and it reduces our stress. So please eat healthy and get some changes in your lifestyle. Review yourself. There are a lot of things in past which we have, which we've been through. Review them and reorganize yourself. You're getting the time to reorganize yourself. I know it is very difficult, but right now your faith, your capability, your trust will get you through this situation, will get us through all of the situation. Because yes, hopefully by May end, I really feel the cases will start ending, and I really feel how the stars are changing. By November we will be almost out of corona. I really hope that, but I'm not too sure, but I really see that happening during November, and probably. So all the cases are going to, everything is going to be very normal, and we are actually going to be mask free. We'll definitely be mask free. It's not that we're not going to achieve that. We all will achieve that. We'll all meet each other, we'll all be happy with each other. So please, right now, focus on yourself. Focus on what you like, nurture your hobbies, start doing what you like. Probably, whatever you feel like, listening to music, singing, dancing, whatever you guys like, join that. Join virtual workshops, as many as you can, because trust me, right now only solution to this problem is helping yourself. It's going to be difficult for all of us, for me, for you, for everyone, but only solution to this problem is just be mindful. Again, mindful is balancing your body, your mind according to the situation present there, and reacting to the situation properly, how it's supposed to be. By mindfulness, you can even delete the negative thoughts. Again, as I always say, when a negative thought comes to your mind, stop it there. Think, is it really worth it thinking about this? Is it really worth it? Am I wasting my even few seconds or few minutes on this negative thought? If it says no, delete it then from your mind, and then automatically a positive thought will start getting created. All this is very important. So I really hope all of us help each other right now, be with each other, and yes, review our lifestyle and bring the positive changes in our lifestyle, which is very important. So please, just stay with each other, have faith, meditate. Please join as many relaxing exercises you can. So yes, I would love if you have any outputs on this, or if you have any questions regarding this, please feel free to get connected with me, or even ask your questions here right now at the live session. I would love to answer all of these sessions, please. Any questions, if anyone has, please feel free to connect right now and ask your questions. You can connect with me later as well, but if you have any questions, just feel free to ask your questions. I will be coming live with these kind of sessions. I just hope these sessions really help you and take you forward, because we all are sailing in the same boat and we all are going through problems right now. But only our positive mindset, our faith, and our trust can lead us with better lives, better thinking, and positive thinking. Please stay safe right now. Follow all the government protocols. Keep healthy. Stay connected with your loved ones. Help people around you as much as you can. There are people who are needing your help. So be there right now. It's the right time for being with people right now. So please help them. I know you cannot risk your life. Don't risk your life, but at any way, if at any possible manner you can help them, please do that. Make the best utilization of this time. And just start, I would even say, start writing journals. Why? Because journals are really going to help you. Pen down all your thoughts, whichever thoughts, probably before sleeping. I usually do that. Whenever I have a lot of thoughts, I start writing them down. Why? Because I really feel, if I write down my thoughts, and in future when I read them, I'm going to actually, recall those memories, and I feel so relaxed right now if I write those thoughts. So whatever is in your mind, in your heart, write your thoughts down. And one more thing, if you write down your thoughts, write down your thoughts with the red pen. It's very important. And please, guys, write positive thoughts. If you write negative thoughts, you start believing negative thoughts. So write positive thoughts. Don't fear right now, because if you fear, the situation is going to win over you, and we cannot let the situation win over us, because we are not that weak. I know we all will get this closure very soon, and things will get better. It's not going to be forever. Trust me, it's not going to be forever. This is going to finish. So please stay with each other, stay positive, meditate, help each other, and yes, stay positive, please. And if any help, if anything, you're not able to talk, seek a professional help, please. Take care, and thank you so much for watching with me and listening to me. Thank you so much. I really hope this session helps you a lot and just makes you more positive. Thank you. Have a good day. Take care. Stay positive, stay happy, and stay safe.